Hi there folks, so it's a while since I did a little video on my Honda restoration. This is the current state of it at the moment. I say state, this is slowly getting restored. Quite pleased with my clocks, I've restored myself. I have got the headlight bulb. There's a few other powder coat parts to go on, but I can't do that until I get the bottom end of the engine in. I've still got the chrome, get the front mudguard chromed, got to get the engine rebuilt, got to get a seat and a few other bits and bobs, got all the cables. I obviously need to get this rebored out to some pistons etc and get cleaned up. So at the moment I'm stuck with getting the crank bearings right. So these were allegedly marked on these webs. I've only managed to identify one which says A1, which is really annoying because I don't know what bearings they put in there originally, because they're all coloured. So if we looked at the con rods, you can see they've got a bit of pitting. Now I did measure one and it was within tolerance, but it would seem foolish to put old ones back. Now allegedly they were painted with a colour, and this one you're probably not going to see it. It looks like it's a brown colour, but I can't see any other colours. Well, I say that might be brown on that one. This one's going to be brown, but this, I don't know. I'm not sure. Not sure if that's brown or black. And these con rods are marked up. So it's 3C, 2C, 3C, 3C. Problem is I'm not an engineer and I struggle with stuff like this, and I will show you what I'm stuck on. So big end bearing shells. I need to know this width, so I can work out crank pin allowance, and then I can work out the tolerances. I do have my Parkside micrometer, which I can use. I'm not an engineer, so I'm not sure how tight I can push that to get the feeling of the actual width. 32.2. So if I looked at 32.2, according to this is way out of spec. And I wonder if that's really true, or do I drop this to zero? Because it seems to be miles out. Or are these actually rubbish? Who knows? Because if I measure, if I do the main bearings, if I can zero this damn thing. 3210, 3210, 3209. See, that according to this is miles out. And it makes me wonder if these are not that accurate, or there's a zero missing. I don't know. So I've got to go back to the forum to try to understand it, because I am getting a bit confused now. I can't identify bearings through this or this method, but I can identify the bearings through the stamp on the casing. So I'm confused. So I got to this stage, and that's when I realised actually I need to get the bearings in, and then that's when all my troubles started. So I've only got this far with building the bottom end. I've got some bends and seals to put in as well yet, but yeah, goosed. So yep, I'm stuck for a minute, and that's the last video for a short while I think, until I get my head around it. Thanks for watching, bye bye.